In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a game in Roblox. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, before we get started, I just launched my ultimate Roblox game dev template, so if you're trying to make your own Roblox game, check out the Gumroad and Etsy links in the description. Not only does this support the channel, but it also supports you in making the best Roblox game possible. I highly recommend it. Once again, links in the description. Now, if you don't have Roblox Studio installed, you need to go ahead and get that first. So just open up a browser, download Roblox Studio, and make sure when you download Studio, it's not just the regular Roblox player. But once, of course, Roblox Studio opens up, you can choose how you want to start. If you're brand new, I recommend hitting Start Learning up at the very top, and then just follow Roblox's beginner guide and learn the basics. But if you already know the basics, choose a template like a base plate, an obby, a performer, or another game style. And after that template opens, you can start building your map, adding objects, using scripts, or customizing the game however you want. For example, we got this car right here. You can also collaborate with other people if you want help building, so like you and your friends can all work together to make a Roblox game, which would be pretty cool. But once the entire game is ready, just test it in Roblox Studio by hitting play and making sure that's on test. And of course, as you can see, this one is working perfectly. We even got a full functioning car right over here as well. But that's the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.